Hello and good day, my dear learners. Welcome to our math class. Our lesson for today is about rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. But before that, let's recall our previous lesson about place value. Let us see an example of a place value chart. Let us study how 91,386 is written in the place value chart. So this is an example of a place value chart. We have there ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Digit 6 is in the ones place. Digit 8 is in the tens place. Digit 3 is in the hundreds place. Digit 1 is in the thousands place. And digit 9 is in the 10,000s place. Now let us answer some questions. Question number 1. What is the place value of 9 in the number 91,736? What is your answer? The answer is 10,000s. Question number 2. What is the place value of 5 in the number 75,348? What is your answer? The answer is thousands. Now let's study the problem. The diameter of the Earth at the equator is about 12,756 kilometers. About how many thousand kilometers is the diameter of the Earth at the equator? So what are we going to do? Let's round the given number. What is the given number? It is 12,756. But before that, let's find out the rules in rounding numbers. Rule number 1. Identify the rounding place first. Rule number 2. If the digit to the right of the rounding place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down. Then change the rest of the digits to the right into 0. Rule number 3. If the digit to the right of the rounding place is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, round the number up by changing the rest of the digit to the right into 0 and add 1 to the digit in the rounding place. Again, numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 round down. Retain the rounding number and then change the digits to the right to 0. Numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 round up. Add 1 to the rounding number, then change the digits to the right to 0. Now we go back to the problem. The diameter of the Earth at the equator is about 12,756 kilometers. About how many thousand kilometers is the diameter of the Earth at the equator? We can find the answer by rounding 12,756 to the nearest thousands. Using the place value chart, let's find out what digit is in the thousands place. 6 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place, and 1 is in the 10,000s place. So what digit is in the thousands place? It is 2. So 2 will be the rounding number. And 7 will be our basis if it is round up or round down. So 7, is it round up or round down? Round up. So let's add 1 to the rounding number, which is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And the digits to the right will become 0. So the answer is 13,000. Now let's see some other examples. Example number 1. Round the number to the nearest thousands. 67,423. Okay, now let's find first the rounding number. 3 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 4 is in the hundreds place, 7 is in the thousands place, and 6 is in the 10,000s place. So what is the rounding number? It is 7. And 4 will be our basis if it is round up or round down. 4, is it round down or round up? It is round down. So 7, retain the number. And then change the digits to the right to 0. So our answer is 67,000. Example number 2. Round the number to the nearest 10,000s. 87,695. Let's find the rounding number. 5 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tens place, 6 is in the hundreds place, 7 is in the thousands place, and 8 is in the 10,000s place. So 8 will be our rounding number. And 7 will be our basis if it is round up or round down. So 7, is it round up or round down? It is round up. So let's add 1 to the rounding number. 8 plus 1 will become 9. And the digits to the right will become 0. So our answer is 90,000. Now let's try to answer some exercises. Exercise number 1. Round the number to the nearest thousands. 82,567. What is your answer? The answer is 83,000. Did you get it right? If yes, very good. Exercise number 2. Round the number to the highest place value. 34,987. The highest place value is 10,000. So what is your answer? The answer is 30,000. Is your answer correct? If yes, good job! So that ends our lesson about rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. See you in the next lesson. Thank you very much.